So once it is open, we have two provisions to capture this information. Now the system will allow you to be able to fill a new form. One is using the online system, which is this one that I'm using. You can fill the data about candidates directly on the system, or where you have internet challenges, you can download an Excel sheet, which is here. And the Excel sheet will come pre-populated with all the programs that have been advertised. I will first come back to the system and go with the first approach, which is the system has about 7 sections. That is personal information. We have the parents' details. We have information about the disability on the candidate, the O-level, A-level, center or index numbers, then the program choices. So we have also reviewed the manual form and transformed it here, and further cleaned it for the data that is necessary for us to process the admissions of these candidates. So about the biodata, we have fields that are required. When you see fields that are marked with asterisk, these are required fields. It means the surname of the candidate is required, the other names of the candidate is required, the sex. So I'm going to be using some dummies and also be able to fill a candidate's details here. I will fill the surname, then I come to other names. Telephone number, this is usually important for notification purposes. It is very important to fill a telephone number about these candidates. So I'm going to just fill any number there. Then the date of birth, we have a calendar for you to pick from. I'll just pick anything. Then the permanent address. Citizenship, this is only now open to Ugandans, so we only expect Ugandans to fill this. Then the home district, you have to select. All the districts have been again uploaded to the system. You just need to select, or you can search. The sub-county or LC3, Paris or LC2, village or LC1 are all required fields on the biodata section. So I'm going to just fill anything. Once you have saved, the system is going to give a form ID to this candidate, which is prefixed with the center number and then some number to track this candidate's application on the system. Once you save the biodata, the system will open for you or activate other sections about this candidate, but the biodata can still be amended in case I need to make any change. If I had selected a wrong district, I can come and select the right one and change this about a candidate and update. So you can do this for as long as the application has not closed. The father's information. Here we have the name, and then the telephone number. It's not a mandatory field but can be provided. And then the citizenship, I will go with Ugandan. The home district, if this is a non-Ugandan, you as a home district you also have to select non-Ugandan. Then here you can pick any district of the parent, and then once this is saved, you will see that each section about this candidate is tracked. So if I only had information about the biodata and the father's information on this candidate, I can stop filling this form here. Meaning when I come this side, I will see that for this candidate, I have only captured 2 sections. Expect at the end of the entire process, probably by the time when the application is closing, you have filled all the sections. So you can also go and capture a new form about a new candidate, or you can go and click on edit to proceed with this candidate. So I will go and fill the mother's details. You need to select whether this candidate has a disability or does not have a disability. If you select does not have a disability, then there is no any other thing for you to select, and you just save this. There is any change, this you made a mistake and the candidate has a disability, you can come and click has disability. You'll be expected to say where applicable, and then you update. Here, if the candidate has UCE, you select has UCE results. You can search the center by code. If this candidate starts from Makerere College, you can search by name or you can search by code, which is also there, and then the system will auto pick the name of the school and the center, and then you will be expected to select from a drop down the candidate's number, which will form a complete index number, and then the year of examination. Select and be able to save. In case this candidate does not have UCE results, you will come here and select does not have UCE results, and then you also have further integrations with UNEB, and UNEB has all those results. So we only expect the index number and the year of. You do not select the A-level center for this candidate, so you are only expected to capture data about the candidates in your center, and then I will be expected to select the student's number to form a complete index number, and this number for A-level ranges from 501 to 999. You can also select the year of examination, probably which is 2024, and then be able to save.